Today I show you how to set your Samsung Galaxy Android phone to airplane mode. When you need to go on an airplane, you need to set it to airplane mode so the communication of the phone doesn't interfere with the communication of the airplane. To do that, it's very simple. To do this, to set the Samsung Galaxy phone to airplane mode, is very simple. All you have to do is scroll down from the top. You open the quick settings menu here, and these are the quick settings. So you open the quick settings menu by pulling down from the top like this, like that. If it doesn't work from one side, try from the other side, depending on the future versions of OneUI. This is OneUI 6.1, Android 14, soon to be Android 15, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. And swipe down for the quick setting. So swipe down for the quick settings menu, and then once more, if you don't see the little plane icon, and you see that little plane icon there, flight mode. So when I swiped the first time, I didn't see it. They can all be customized. You can arrange them however you like by opening it all the way and then pressing on this pencil icon to edit the short quick settings menu, and you can add the button there for the fast access. The idea is that the first ones here are the most used icons, but you wouldn't have flight mode there because you don't really use it much. And there is also a trick. If you have any problems with the internet or with the mobile data, with anything, you can always use flight mode to toggle off everything, all the communication network off. With the flight mode, you can do a quick reset with the flight mode. You can using the flight mode, you can also do a quick reset of the Wi-Fi settings and mobile data, not only for the plane, but in case you have any internet problems, you can press on it and it disables the mobile data, but I could disable the Wi-Fi also. Wi-Fi doesn't always disable when you turn on the flight mode, but you can always disable it manually like this. So flight mode for the plane, you enable flight mode, you press it here. When it's highlighted, it means it's on. You can confirm that you have flight mode on by, you see this little plane icon there. To know for sure that if you have the flight mode on, you see the plane icon there next to the battery, and then no signal indicators there. And you could actually turn on the Wi-Fi while you're in flight mode. You could have Wi-Fi enabled while you're in flight mode, but not the mobile data or the 5G settings. 5G is mostly to turn off the mobile data that is trying to reach the long communications. That might interfere with the plane onboard communication systems, and you really don't want that. So to remove the flight mode, to disable it, once you arrive at your destination, you can press on flight mode again, it becomes gray, and you see now the data. You see now it's connecting to the network, and I could show you also it's connecting to the 5G. So also network, so it's connected to 5G and the network, but I turn off the Wi-Fi. So if I enable the Wi-Fi, it will also connect to the Wi-Fi. Again, it's very easy, turn it on. It will disable the mobile data, turn it back on. This is really way. This is how you prepare your phone to go on board of an airplane when they ask you to turn off the electronic devices or to set them to flight mode. And you can also use this to do a quick reset of your network settings on your phone together with the Wi-Fi settings there. So that's ready now. You can actually do them separately like this, enable and disable the mobile data and the Wi-Fi. But the flight mode, it's always nice to know, especially if you're going in a plane, you need to know how to do this. Otherwise, you will have to turn off the phone. And if you have to turn off the phone, you press the power button, long press, and then power off. This is the safest option. Like this, the phone is completely off and it doesn't do anything to interfere with the flight. Thanks for watching.